Graphic installation and display setup of the 4-season flex sign is both quick and easy. Begin by removing all the parts from the box and placing them on a clean, flat surface. Next, open all 4 hinge snap edges on the display's frame and remove the protective film and align it over your printed side of your graphic. Once set, slide your covered graphic into the display's frame with all 4 corners secured under the frame's 4 corners. With all 4 corners secured, snap the 4 hinged snap edges closed. Next, flip the frame over and repeat the previous steps to the second side. Once both graphics are secured in place, you are now ready to attach the base to the display. The Poster Flex snap frame comes with a snap edge tool to assist with the opening and closing of the hinge snap edges. The hardware provided to attach the base includes 2 bushings, 2 large washers, 2 locking washers, and 2 wing bolts. Begin assembly by standing the frame and the base on their sides. Align the top spring with the screw hole located on the crossbar of the base. With 1 lock nut and 1 metal washer on the wing bolt, feed the bolt through the base hole and the washer, and then into the frame's spring. Spin the wing bolt clockwise to tighten, but do not fully tighten this bolt at this time. Align the bottom spring with the screw holes located on the crossbar of the base. With 1 lock nut and 1 metal washer on the wing bolt, feed the second bolt through the base hole and the washer, and then into the frame spring. Spin the wing bolt clockwise to fully tighten. Next, fully tighten the top wing bolt. With the base firmly attached, lift the display into the upright position. Once set, your 4-season flex sign is complete and ready for use. The display can be used for both indoor and outdoor applications.